This is how you can update Capcut on the iPhone. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, Capcut is a great video editor and everything. So we want to make sure we run the latest version of the app. And the way to check it out is by going to the App Store. If you have it somewhere in here, just click on the A for App Store and into the search, just type in Capcut. And it kind of depends on how your phone is set up, but in my case, I can just look it up and see that the app button says open. If it says open, it means that you have the latest version installed, right? But if it said update, you would have the ability to click on the button and get and install the latest version of the app, right? So for example, if I show it to you with like a different app, most likely, yeah, if I look up Instagram, I have the update button here. So if I want to get the latest version of this app, I'm going to click on update and get it, right? So that's how it works with every app, including Capcut. So you always want to check it out to see if you have the latest version. Or you can also make it work automatically by going inside of the settings. And when you go to the bottom and click on apps and find App Store, you're going to decide that the automatic downloads says app updates, and if you enable automatic app updates, you will not really have to worry about manually checking the App Store, but every app you have on your phone will be updated automatically whenever it's available. So I'm personally not the biggest fan of that, so I like to do it manually, but that's up to you. So let me know if it worked, let me know if you found it, and hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.